I want to go over how to make a histogram for your project. So you can see I have a bunch of data, weather data, and the first thing I'm going to do is I need to have a frequency distribution. So I'm going to take all my data, okay, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to sort. So my A to Z, I want to sort, custom sort. I want to sort the second one smallest to largest. So now I have my temperature in smallest order. So I can see I go all the way from 12 to 53. Then you get to decide on classes. So I decided on 10-degree classes going from 10 because I want each of them to be the same. Probably actually it'd be even better to start with 11 here so that they're all even. And I'm well under 11, and I want to go up to 53. So you just need as many. You're looking to divide it into roughly classes that make sense for yours. About 5 to 6 classes is what you're looking for. Then I'm just going to count how many fall between 11 and 20. Well, 10. And right down here, look down here, it counts for you. There are ways to make it manually do this, but with this, it's actually just as faster this way. And then I need 21 through 30. So right there, 15. And then 31 through 40. So we can see there I have 20. Again, I'm just looking down here. And then 41 through 50. So 41 through 50 is 10, and then I have 2 in my last. What I also then like to do is I highlight all of them. I go up here to sum and 57, and then I highlight everything I have, 57. So making sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so this is my first step, is to make sure I have a frequency distribution. Then I'm going to highlight my frequency distribution, go to Insert. I'm going to go to my bar graph, and I'm going to make one. Now I can change the data. I'm over here in my chart tools. I'm going to change this to temperature for October, November 2012. If I wanted to make these, I can actually gap width. I can get rid of the gap if I want it to look like a true histogram. You can see my classes are down there. I want to add, though, labels. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go to Add Chart Element, Axis Titles, Primary Horizontal, and then Primary Vertical. Hey, why didn't you add yourself? There we go. So then I'm going to click on them, and I'm going to update them. Okay, I'm going back here for a minute. Okay, so Axis Titles, Primary Vertical, Primary Horizontal. There. For some reason it deleted it when it was down there. So this is temperatures, and this over here is frequency. And so that's all I have to do for this. The easiest way is to simply count up your data things. If you have a ton, there are counting functions that will do the bins for you, but I find those take a lot more effort than simply counting, because once I highlight what I want, Excel does do the count right down here for me, and I can easily pull it there. So I'm not actually having to manually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as I count up.